I define what is exact. Before anything can perform, it must be measured. I am Italian industrial metrology. I read dimensions you cannot see. I detect deviations smaller than a human hair. I turn tolerance into certainty. Italy is among the world's leaders in high-precision measurement systems, from coordinate measuring machines to laser and optical inspection technologies used across automotive, aerospace, energy, and advanced manufacturing. I don't produce parts. I make sure they are right. Every machine trusts me. Every process depends on me. Every innovation passes through me. You don't see precision, you measure it. I am Italian metrology. Silent, exact, essential.
I am Italy inside.